Hello students, are you preparing for CLAT? Then there's a fantastic news for you as the official notification for the CLAT 2025 is finally out. As per the notification, the online process starts on 15th of July and it ends on 15th of October. The exam is slated to be held on the 1st of December 2024. Since there is very little time left, I advise that let's start our preparation with the full throttle. Now, to be eligible for the undergraduate program, the candidate needs to have cleared the 10+2 examination or its equivalent with minimum of 45% marks or 40% marks if it is SC, ST or PWD category. To be eligible for the postgraduate or the PG programs, that is the LLM program, a candidate must have a minimum of 50% marks or an equivalent grade in their graduation and 45% marks for the candidates belonging to SC, ST and PWD categories. The fee structure, the online application fees is Rs 4,000 and Rs 3,500 for candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWD and BPL categories. For application, a candidate needs to visit the website, the official website, which is consortiumofnlus.ac.in. If you want guidance or you want the best coaching, please visit AAA Bright Academy at our head office, which is at Guru Gobind Singh Bhavan, Sector 15A, Madhya Marg in Chandigarh. Or you can also contact us, you can call us or you can WhatsApp us on our official number 9988 442200. Thank you and best of luck.